Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to share a problem assembly of a WH-TVSTD. Let's go ahead and open a box. For the first step, you require 1 part A, the board, 2 part Bs, 4 part Es, 2 part Bs, and 14 part number 1s, the screws. The item does come with an Allen key, but you can use your power tool if necessary. Let's assemble. So for board B, you're going to take 2 part Es. See the difference? It has 2 inserts. Board B. Move on to board A. And 2 Es. See, this has 3. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, board Bs, 2 part Cs, 8 parts number 1 the screws. Let's assemble. When assembling the second board B, you can either choose which height you want it. So we're just going to go the bottom one. For the next step, you require 4 part number 2, the feet. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, also 6 part number 1, the screws. Let's assemble. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our WH-TVSTD. Please go to the website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.